Right guys, you will literally just see me sign up. This is literally straight after signing off on last video. So today we're going to concentrate on the clutch, getting the clutch done. So we'll try and film what we can, but obviously, as we said before, we are on the ground. We've got no ramps or anything, so it's quite difficult to film as you're doing things like this on the ground. So we'll do what we can, but we'll cut in periodically. And yeah, we'll see how we get on. Right, apologies if you for background noise. There's somebody mowing the lawn. I can't know about that. But where is that so far? Battery's off, battery tray's off, airbox is off. This was actually attached to battery tray, but that's off. It's just out of the way. If you can see down here, gear linkage is off. The next thing that is got to do now is drain gearbox oil, and then the drive shafts can come out, and then it'll be a process of disconnecting all these other bits of ancillary stuff. There's a couple of, like there's a connection back here. I think there's a connection down at the bottom. Oh no, he's undone that one. And then obviously support it, crack all bolts off, mount off, and then hopefully pull it out. So see how we get on. But yeah, going quite well so far. Right, cutting in a bit further. He's got drive shafts are out though. All the bolts round the bell housing, starter motor, etc., they're all out. All connections are out. It's currently being held in by this and this. Obviously we've got a jack underneath supporting it, so in a couple of minutes we'll be undoing those bolts and pulling the gearbox away, and then at that point we'll let you have a look and see what state the clutch is in. Alright, cut back in a minute. So here we go, gearbox is out. Now this is obviously looking very worn. Now there is, I'll zoom in, small particles of metal in there which don't know where they're from. Now the clutches themselves, the clutch plates themselves, the clutch plate looks okay, but the only thing that we noticed different is, I know they're a different make, but this is a new one and these are much more pronounced than what that is. Don't know if that's got anything to do with it. I've no idea. But we're committed now. We've got a new one. It's going back in. I'm putting a new one in. Hopefully that'll cure it. I suppose the truth will be is when we put all this back together and try it out, see what crack is. But yeah, let's crack on. Right, just to show you this on release bearing that we've took off. It's making a god awful noise. Whereas the new one, quiet as a button, quiet as a mouse. So it's probably a good thing while we are doing this, even though we've not really found much wrong with the actual clutch plate. But yeah, crack on. Right, cut back in now. We've got the gearbox back in. When I say we, it's a royal we. It's Dave really. As you can see, there's drive shafts are in. The gearbox is full of gearbox oil, just about to bleed the clutch. Once we've done that, we'll be in a position to put the rest of it back together and then go for a start. We are running out of time, although it's still daylight. We are running out of time. It's like nearly 7:30 at night. So if we don't manage to get it tonight, it'll be tomorrow. But yeah, cut back in a bit. There we go, guys. Just taking it up our road, which is, it's not a private road obviously, and we might get slapped on wrists, but he's just going to try it. All being well, looks like it's a success. This should be him coming back now. Well, it's driven to the top of the road and back. She's in. So it looks like clutch is a success. It's going in gears. Superb. Job done. Right, cut in. We're swapping tailgates over today. I'm just going to get a template of this badge because the new one says titanium on it, and obviously this ain't titanium. We're then going to take the wiring out of this, then we're going to put the new one on, take the wiring from that one to that, and then pull it through, because we think that'll be easier. Because we have done, if you remember, we did one of these we changed the tailgate on the white Fiesta that we had, which was a rear ender, and we just took the wiring out and then tried to feed it through this, and it went nightmare. So we're going to try that, and then we're going to offer bumper up as well that we've got. I know it needs painting, but it's more sturdy for me if it's on car to be sanded down before we pull it off and paint it. So yeah, that's where we're going, and yeah, let's crack on. Right, old one off, new one on. Shots like a good one. All lines up. It's all lined up here. It's all lined up here. Open and closes like a good one. Like I said, the only thing we've got to do is got to take this titanium badge off, clean it, and then obviously I need to get polisher, and get machine polish on that, get rid of the titanium sign, stick Zetec back on, put number plate back on, and that's that one done. We're just about to put bumper on, make sure that the gaps went bumpers on, he's alright. So yeah, we're good. As if by magic, the Zetec is now titanium. Yeah, we know bumper needs repainting. To me, it's easier to sand down when it's on body because it's more stable. So I'm going to sand it down while it's on body. As you can see, we've got some marks down here, only flying off. But yeah, I mean, bumper's not screwed on. We've just literally popped it on, and obviously it clips at the side, keeping it in place. So yeah. That's I think that's where we'll leave it on this video. With I'm gonna say we've done a lot, but it's mainly Dave. Main one being obviously gearbox, which I think killed Dave following day. So yeah, but yeah, it's all coming together. All we've literally got is the finishing touches now, which is paint on rear bumper, a good clean, and then she's done. So well, end it here. If you do like these videos, please do consider subscribing. Like I said, we want to get to 500 at some point this year. Last time I checked, we were one off 100. So if you can help us out, push it along, get us further up that subscription ladder, we would really appreciate it. And yeah, like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you on the next one.